Yo, it's Chriso. What I've got for you everyone is something very, very special. Every time I bring out a video, there's something to learn by. Alright, so with these little suckers, press that subscribe button and we're laughing. We'll see you later. A word of advice to the DIY, that's doing your own bathroom, get yourself the square mixer, and then you're not having to cut a square hole, which it's easier for you. Easy peasy. Where's the tape? I'll show you how to cut a square hole DIYs. Now, being a DIY, you should mark it on the other side as well. I don't need to, because I've been doing this for 35 years. What I do is just sight down. Not because I'm lazy. My eye is trained. But the square is even big enough that you're cutting right through, so I don't even need to eyeball it. I haven't cut through quite enough at the corners. And that's it there. Close the door. We've got the aircon on. Whoop, 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 whoop. Just test your tile before you put glue on it. Most of the time with the square, they have a pretty decent cover plate. So it's all good. There's a little bit of a high spot where that join is, but you get that. I'm using a 12mm notchy. I'll take that out easy. Okay, see you soon. Yo!